Hello, welcome back to WinTrader. In this today's live video, I am going to show you the performance of US Oil. Our software, as you know that our software support all major financial market. With one software, you can trade in MCX, NSE cash, future options, currencies, Indian foreign currencies, agri, comics, and forex. So right now I open this chart US Oil and the time frame I said it is 50 minutes, and you can see the market rate is 87.30. that is the real-time market value of US oil, and you can see this white vertical line is the daybreak line. So today's market start from here, and you can see this red down arrow, that is a sell signal, and green up arrow is a buy signal. So these are the automatic signals. So in this latest, actually this is our running version 8.1. in this running version we are using 55 custom program indicators. It's working with the real-time data and gives all the indications. So if the software gives a signal, we have to check whether the signal is confirmed or not. If the signal is confirmed, then definitely in that signal you will get 80 to 90% accuracy on the same signal. So I will show you how to check the confirmation. And if you are trading in only forex, and if you have MD4 live account, we can direct, as you know that this is our software, and our platform is also MetaTrader 4. So if you have MD4 live account, and if you want, then we can directly configure our software in your trading platform. So you can directly trade from your account. So if you have MD4, then only we can configure. Otherwise, if you have MD5, then directly we can install our software in your system, and by checking this signal, you can trade in your MD5 account. Sorry. And let's go to the video. I will show you how to check the confirmation. We can see that we got a sell signal here, and the time is in the morning 2 a.m. we got a sell signal, and that price is 87.98, and as per currently the all target has been achieved. So before taking this signal, we have to check whether the signal is confirmed or not. We have two confirmation parameters. If these two confirmation parameters are okay, then directly we can take the position. So checking the confirmation is very easy and simple. I will show you how to check the confirmation. So if it is sell signal, the first confirmation on below, you have to check a price in sell zone. If it is sell signal, it should be in sell zone. First the arrow will come. You have to wait for the arrow to come. First the arrow will come. After that, you have to check whether the signal is in price in sell zone or not. First the arrow will come. After that, you have to check whether the price in sell zone or not. In the first confirmation is, it will show here like a price in sell, so it should be in sell zone. If it is sell zone, then the first confirmation is okay. Second confirmation, on below the arrow, you can see there is a bar is here. There is a confirmation bar. That is our confirmation bar. It should be in the same color of the signal. If it is sell signal, it should be in red color. So we have to check only two confirmation. First the arrow will come. If it is sell signal, then price should be in sell zone, and on below the arrow it should be in red color. If these two confirmations are okay, then you can directly take the position in your trading platform. And on below you can see the stop loss will display here, and it's a trailing stop loss. On the right hand side you can see target 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 targets. And for example, if the market is trendy market, and if it is continue with after hitting the target, sometimes the signal will continue. So that time software gives a re-entry option. Re-entry means software gives a new entry point. As per the market rate, it gives a new entry point and a new exit level. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level, and you can exit with that target. So this is a very simple software, and it's working with the real-time data. So as I told you, if it is confirmed signal, then definitely it will give 80 to 90% accuracy on the same signal. And you can see these red stars are here. On below there is a blue stars are here. The red stars are the resistance level of the market, and the blues are the support level of the market. And you can see in the chart there are some different multi colors are there. So normal candles colors are red and green. So apart from these two colors, you can see some different colors like orange color, light blue, white candle, MD candles are there. That's the indication of sideways. If the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of this bar. So it's giving an indication that market is going sideways. So it's there's a live market, and as I told, if we have MD4, if you are trading only in forex, and if you have MD4 live account, then directly we can configure our software in your trading platform, and you can directly take the position from your trading platform. So if you are interested to know more about our software WinTrader, and if you are interested to purchase, or if you are interested to check the live demo, directly you can contact me. My name is Ganga, and my number is 9061 973737 Indian's number. I have WhatsApp also. It's official WhatsApp. You can directly call or WhatsApp, or you can check in the below. That's a video. There's a description box is there. Just you can check my WhatsApp link is there. Just click there. You can directly come to my WhatsApp chat. And if you have any doubt, or if you are interested to know more anything about our software, you can directly contact me. And thank you for watching my video.